All right, ladies and gents, this is Will Zanders, and I'm about to shut it down for the evening. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Real quick, top three reasons. I say top three reasons you want to join a network marketing company. Number one, better health. Literally, if you're going to look at network marketing, I recommend health and wellness because it's never been more relevant than today. And the health conversation is at the forefront of every single business in the world. How do we keep people healthy? How do we stay healthy? How do we live longer? All the baby boomers are talking about it. All the millennials are going to be talking about it. Health and wellness never goes out of style. Being fit, being lean, being healthy, looking good, feeling good never goes out of style. So that's number one, because you want a better health. Number two, why I would start a network marketing business, and you can get the healthy products wholesale and maybe make a couple bucks on the side. That's a win-win if you want the best products in the world, which are not in Walmart. Let's just acknowledge that. Number two is the personal relationships. The personal relationships that you experience in network marketing, the friendships that you build, the networking. You have two families. You have your blood family, and then you have your network marketing family. And sometimes it's hard to tell which is which. The people that you meet in this industry, the lifelong bonds that you feel are you can't put a price tag on that. I assure you. Let me see. Number three, the personal development. When you start a network marketing business, you have to take your business mind and your skill set to a whole nother level. Take it to, you're here, you need to take it way over there in order to become successful. The books you read, the events you attend, the mentorship you get. I'm telling you that the personal development is something that can never be taken away from you. The skills will never be taken away from you, even if you're not with that company no more. The skills, like the personal development and growth, will never leave you, will never abandon you, will never forsake you. Personal development is key. And then last but not least, well, that was three reasons right there, but let me throw in one more: the absolute money. If you want the life experiences, if you want to take 6-month vacations twice a year, some of y'all will get that tomorrow. If you want to buy the toys and the this and that and have the cars and go to the beach and buy the stuff you want to buy and go shopping and knowing you have to worry about how much it is, just swipe the card. If you want to know what it feels like to have 10, 20 grand in cash just running through your hands, it's amazing. If you want to make more in a month than some people make in a year, yes, that's a thing, by the way. You can have that in this industry if you take the time to learn the skill sets and mindsets that bring success. All right, so I love you. God bless you. That's three reasons and a bonus reason of why you want to start your own network marketing business today. Evaluate your companies. This is a little bonus tip. Evaluate your companies on the 5 following principles. Number 1, the timing. 2, how aggressive is the pay plan? 3, do they have in-demand products that people actually want, need, and can afford? 4, the leadership. Leadership is absolutely critical. And 5, do they have a system, a duplicatable system that anybody can follow and achieve some success? That's the 5 factors I evaluate a company on. If you're looking for a company, look, we still here doing it big. Don't get it twisted, by all means. But I didn't want this video to be about HB, and I really want it to be about you having a reason to join a network marketing company. I gave you 4 reasons to join a network marketing company. So check them out. Evaluate all those companies that you're looking at. And if you find one that you make home, fantastic. If not, click the link below. Come on and hang out with us, and we'll see you on the other side. Good night. God bless. Like, subscribe. It's just good karma.